reform that's lifting academic standards and getting results. Not because Washington dictated the answers, but because states and local schools pursued innovative solutions. We're also making college more affordable for millions of students. And this week, my Secretary of Education, Arne Duncan, announced a series of commitments to support students who need a little extra academic help getting through college. And to reach more folks, we're working with partners in the academic, nonprofit, and private sectors that will help families use this new data to navigate the complicated college process and make informed decisions. The occasion. But while Elena had a brilliant career in academia, her passion for the law is anything but academic. Achieved a standard of academic excellence that is without question, tying the record for the most postgraduate scholarships of any class in West Point history. And this is not just an academic exercise. It's a way.
For all of you, I know this has been a magnificent journey. A journey full of academic and athletic victories. A journey that has taken you across the country and around the world.
Occasionally some ask, is all this academic? Is it merely a passing whim, a fad for political theorists? What difference can it make to citizens in their everyday lives? Well, the answer is it can make a difference both in huge ways and in very mundane ways and in an infinity of ways in between.
What I've also said, I've said this many times, is if we are recognizing athletic achievement, and we should also be recognizing academic achievement and science achievement. Just yesterday, the Department of Education granted waiver applications to 10 states, and we made it clear that those states need to hold students with disabilities to high academic standards. They deserve the same high expectations as everybody else. We brought together the brightest academic minds, the boldest business leaders, the most dedicated public servants from our science and our technology agencies, all with one big goal: a renaissance in American manufacturing.
Impressed by your academic achievements, by how hard you're studying, and how well you're doing on your exams.
We have great academic prowess in the classroom. And
I knew that the first thing I needed to do was have the strongest academic record possible. Oregon Tech is committing to set up a text message program so that these advisors can connect more easily with students who need some extra encouragement or academic support.
It has been businesses, people on the ground, social interactions, academic interactions, which have advanced relations, particularly economic relations, that go well beyond trade.
And then when you go out into the world, whether you are a business person or you are in the military or you are an academic or a doctor or whatever it is that you're doing, you're also going to be a citizen.